solid friends forevermore. But the world can spin so madly, and love can hurt so badly, and the stories end so sadly. But this is not